Hello students, today we are going to start our class from the map which you are now seeing. The map is of the countries having monarchy. In the last class we have discussed about the monarchy. What is monarchy? Monarchy is the form of government which is ruled by any king or queen. And these are the countries of the world where monarchy is there. You can follow the index and see the map, previous one. Now we are going to start today's class. The main topic is for today. The first one is what is the meaning of the term universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means that the right to vote should be given to all adults, citizens, without the discrimination of caste, class, color, religion or gender. In India, the citizen who are adult, that is from 18 years of age, it is based on equality, which is a basic principle of democracy. Next we are going to read or compare between democracy and monarchy. First, democracy is a government formed by elected representatives of the people. Monarchy is a form of government where a state is headed by a monarch, that is king or queen. Democratic government changes after a limited period, but government not changes after a limited period in monarchy. Democracy is the form of government of the people, by the people and for the people. The post is hereditary in monarchy. People can criticize the government in democracy, but in monarchy, people cannot criticize the government. Now you can see the functions of a government, or what are the functions of a government. There are many functions are there. Maintain and order. Maintain law and order. First one. Next one is protection of the environment. Regulate labor, markets, national defense, macroeconomic stability, reduce market failure, minimize inequality, provide public goods, raise and maintain the taxes. All are the functions of the government. Next, we will read going to read the features of Indian Constitution. There are many key features of Indian Constitution. The main are federalism, parliamentary form of government, separation of powers, fundamental rights and secularism. Now, how are Indian governments formed? It is a very important question. Indian governments are formed through elections held every 5 years unless otherwise specified by parties, political parties that secure a majority of members in their representative lower houses, that is Lok Sabha, in the central government and Vidhan Sabha in the states. The parties which win the election, they generally form the government, and it is last for 5 years. Again re-election takes place. Like this, the Indian governments form. How government affects our daily life? It is also important question. Government affects our daily life in following ways. Building roads, schools, industries, bridges, etc. Reduction and fixing of prices of essential commodities. Supply of electricity and pure drinking water. Running of postal and railway services. Providing health care services. Arrange several programs to help poor. Why the government need to make rules for everyone in the form of laws? The government need to make rules for everyone in the form of laws because of the following reasons: to maintain peace and harmony in the country, to equal rights to all, to protect all citizens, to abolish caste system from the country, to provide welfare measures to all citizens without any discrimination. So, students, up to this today, we will continue this lesson in the next class. So, I am requesting each and everyone again and again, go through the modules very nicely and write all the notes in your copy and learn them. For today, this much only. Bye. Have a nice day.